Hi, Dominic here from BLIZ. I'd like to show you the BLIZ Nitro. Developed for normal-sized faces, the Nitro has been designed for casual sports. It has a striking profile where function mingles with fashion. I will be presenting the glasses and going through their functional properties, whether you want to focus on your performance or simply relax in the sun.
This model is equipped with BLIZ Fusion lens technology. Unbreakable XPC polycarbonate lens with 100% UV protection. High impact PC material for low weight. Comfort temples in friction rubber. Nose pad in soft friction rubber.
Thanks very much for watching. Do be sure to follow us on social media or surf into bliz.com to take a look at our wide range of models and colours. Take care of yourselves and please remember, stay safe.